Hello guys, my name is Abdul Hamid and you are watching Gossipfunda. In this video, I am going to show you how to save a website to desktop. So let's start without wasting any time. Saving a website to desktop. First, open laptop or PC and then go to Google Chrome and search any website name which you want to create its shortcut and open that website. Now, after opening that website, on your right top corner there are three dots. So open it and then you will find more settings. So go to more settings and then press on create shortcut. Then they will give you a notification to create a shortcut or not. So just press on create and your shortcut will be created successfully on the desktop. I hope this video was useful. Now, for more such kind of videos, subscribe our YouTube channel Gossipfunda. And do not forget to like, share and comment in the video. Thank you for watching Gossipfunda. Now, for more such kind of amazing videos, visit our official website gossipfunda.com and even APK is available on Google Play Store. So you can download it from Google Play Store or you can download it from gossipfunda.com. Thank you for watching this video.